How to check your Oculus email and password. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change your Oculus email and password. So for that you need to go on your preferred browser and then go on the website of Oculus, and after that what you can do is follow the following steps right here. So after going to the Oculus website, and you will have to tap on your information right there, but what you need to do is tap on forgot password link while you are tapping the password. And after that you can click on the link and follow the prompts to enter your current password by creating a new one by tapping the code if you want to send it. And after you send all the code and set the new password there, make sure to follow the password rules by using the mix of letters, numbers, and special characters for a secure password as well. After you have created a new password, you can now log into your Oculus account by tapping the new password that you have already changed it, and that's how you can solve your problem. I hope you like the video. If you liked the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.